Hello and welcome to my channel. This day I had a few things to do for my candle business. So as a working mom, I schedule my day to do everything I need for my business when the kids are at school. And being your own boss, you really need to schedule your days to stay on track because it's really easy to lose focus and get disorganized. I needed to label some candles that I had to restock, so I started by printing out the labels. I usually get my candle warning labels from Makesy.com, but I ran out and I needed some now. So I printed them out myself using some small round labels I had using my thermal printer, and I designed them using Canva. Which doing it like this is more convenient and saves more money, but I still also get the ones from Makesy because I like the feel and the look of it. I also had to print some labels for my 16-ounce candles. When I started my business, I contemplated a lot on whether to print my own labels at home or get them printed out elsewhere. And to be honest, I've done both, and I find that printing at home on demand is best. So whenever I come out with a new scents or limited candles, I just print them myself and get blank labels from Sheet Labels. I had some candles sold out on my website, so I did a small batch of each scent to restock on my website, and now I just had to label them, trim the wick, and smooth the tops using my heat gun so they can be ready to be sold before I put them on my website. Since my candle business is still new and small, I don't do a lot of candles for each scent when I restock. The most I do for my best sellers is 6 to 10 candles. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, being your own boss and working from home, like I run my candle business from home, and you really need to motivate yourself in order to stay on it. You become your own everything: candle maker, photographer, social media manager, etc. So it's important to make a schedule because being at home, it's easy to get wrapped up in home duties. I know that happens to me all the time. So I try to balance home duties and work and just schedule everything so everything can get done. Just like if you had a regular job, you have to work just as hard or even harder for your small business because it's yours. So keeping that in mind and staying focused helps you stay consistent. Alright, so they are ready. So now I place them where I keep all of my candles. Now I just have to put them on my website. I also worked up a marketing email to be sent out to my customers so they can know that they are now in stock. And I also post on my candle business social media. And that is my work day as a small business owner. Looks very short and fast, but it literally took up the few hours that my kids are at school. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.